Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is gonna be the coolest thing ever from my Tesla. I got a Tesla Model Y. It drives me crazy that I can't see the screen, I can't see the speed or anything like that when I'm driving. Like, there's no screen in front of me. So what this is this is gonna give me a screen in front of my steering wheel. So hopefully I can see how fast I'm going and some other things on it as well. So it looks like it comes with a little USB stick. I guess that's probably to it's the installation video for the 4.6-inch screen. And so this is going to be the screen, so it's going to fit over the steering wheel column there, and it'll fit like that. And so it's got a little USB port, USB-C port. I'm not sure what exactly that's for. Maybe to charge things externally. But then this is going to be the screen on it, so it'll just be on there like that. Nice low profile, so hopefully the air conditioning will go over it. I got the small one because of that, because I want to make sure I can still have air conditioning. Comes with a wiring harness here and a wiring harness here, so I get to get two different ones. New power cord for 2931 instrument. And what does this one say? 2931 instrument, old power cord. So I guess I need to figure out which one I have. Is it new or old? I guess I'll be able to tell based on the types of ports on there. So I'm gonna go install this and we'll see how it works. So here we go. So I've got it installed, and in order to get to the settings, what you do is you hold this button to the right. I didn't know that at first, so see? And then here you can go and scroll through all the different settings and change it to the American way or whatever. These are two different UIs, but then I don't know what this one is. I don't know what CAN is. Don't know, can't figure that one out, so it doesn't seem to change anything. But I like it, so thumbs up for me.